Best beginner motorcycle Ducati Scrambler 62. When it comes to motorcycles, the name Ducati conjures images of high-performance Italian exotica that demand a level of expertise and skill that is far beyond the reach of most beginners. However, Ducati expanded its offerings to accommodate a broader range of riders, including those just starting their two-wheel journey. The Ducati Scrambler 62 is a prime example of this, combining the brand's iconic style and heritage with an approachable, beginner-friendly package. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Ducati Scrambler 62 is an excellent choice for novice motorcyclists. A Ducati with a twist. The Ducati Scrambler series marked a departure from the brand's traditional sport and super sport motorcycles, harking back to the original Ducati Scrambler of the 1960s. The 62 is a smaller displacement variant of this series, designed for riders who appreciate the Ducati aesthetic but want a more accessible and manageable motorcycle. Aesthetic appeal. Ducati is renowned for its striking designs, and the 62 is no exception. It retains the Scrambler's retro cool vibe with classic round headlamps, a minimalist steel teardrop fuel tank, and the iconic teardrop side covers. It's a motorcycle that draws admiring glances wherever it goes, making it an excellent choice for riders who appreciate aesthetics. Perfect power plant. The 62 is powered by a 399cc L-twin engine, a scaled-down version of Ducati's famous V-twin power plants. It produces 41 horsepower and 25.3 pounds-to-foot of torque, delivering a smooth and predictable power curve. This engine's user-friendly characteristics make it ideal for beginners who are learning the ropes of motorcycling. Light and nimble. With a dry weight of just 368 pounds, the 62 is a lightweight and agile motorcycle. Its low seat height, at 30.3 inches, allows riders to confidently plant their feet on the ground, aiding in stability at stops and low-speed maneuvers. The combination of its lightness and approachable dimensions makes it easy to handle, perfect for novices. Effortless handling. The 62's chassis is tuned for a comfortable and forgiving ride. It offers a relaxed riding posture, with wide handlebars and mid-place foot pegs that encourage an upright stance. Novice riders will appreciate the bike's stability, even when navigating tight corners or city streets. Minimalist and versatile. The Scrambler 62 doesn't overwhelm riders with an abundance of technology. It's a straightforward machine designed to be accessible and practical. However, it does feature modern amenities like a digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and a USB charger under the seat, catering to the needs of contemporary riders. Customization and personalization. Ducati understands that motorcycling is a deeply personal experience, and the Scrambler 62 can be customized to reflect a rider's unique style. Ducati offers a range of accessories and customization options, allowing novice riders to create a bike that's uniquely theirs. This sense of ownership and individuality is part of what makes motorcycling so appealing. Scrambler community. One of the often overlooked but significant aspects of owning a Ducati Scrambler is the sense of community. The Scrambler community is active and vibrant, with enthusiasts participating in group rides, events, and sharing their experiences. This camaraderie adds a social dimension to motorcycling that many riders find enriching. A bike that grows with you. The Scrambler 62 isn't just a beginner's bike, it's a platform for growth. As novice riders develop their skills and gain confidence, the 62 can remain a faithful companion. It's a versatile machine that can handle a variety of riding conditions, from daily commuting to weekend getaways. The Ducati experience. What sets the Scrambler 62 apart is that it offers beginners a taste of the Ducati experience. It introduces riders to the brand's heritage, its design language, and its unique approach to motorcycling. Riding a Ducati is a memorable experience, and the Scrambler 62 makes that experience accessible to those just starting out. Conclusion. The Ducati Scrambler 62 is a remarkable addition to Ducati's lineup, designed to invite new riders into the world of motorcycling. Its accessible power, lightweight design, and user-friendly features make it a fantastic choice for beginners. Furthermore, its unmistakable style and the Ducati badge on the tank are a source of pride for any owner. Novice riders can confidently navigate urban streets, take scenic rides, and become a part of the Scrambler community, all while enjoying the allure of the Ducati brand. As a starter bike that doesn't compromise on style or performance, the Scrambler 62 is a perfect choice for those who desire a taste of the Italian motorcycling legacy while embarking on their own two-wheeled adventure.